45-degree angle, and then you see that it stayed nice there. It's no running nowhere. You don't even, I didn't even have to like holding the flashlight on my mouth at all. You see it perfect, and it's from the sidewall to the sidewall, and then you can able to press it down. This one, you just want to make sure the fingers that holding pens, sometimes it's got a lot of callus. It's changing the looks of the nails, and you make sure that it's not crooked. Okay, just a little bit action. And you can remove any of excess omega gels and do a good quick flash here. I would do this one, and then you're moving on